Best talk tayo ng mga kapuso, kauban si Attorney Resi Rizada. Resi!
Daghang salamat, RJ! Mayang buntag mga kapuso, ug welcome to Best Talk Karong Buntaga. Let's be inspired by a multifaceted actress, artist, advocate, vlogger, and social media influencer. Walay lain mga kapuso kundi si Heart Evangelista. Maayong buntag, Miss Heart, and welcome dito sa At Home with GMA Regional TV. We are truly honored to have you on the show this morning. How are you?
I'm good. Maayong buntag din. I'm so happy to be here on At Home with GMA Regional TV. For now, dito muna tayo virtually. So it's so nice to have me.
Thank you for making time for us. Syempre, let's start off our kamustahan with your quarantine life. What was your experience like?
Okay naman, I consider myself very lucky that I have, a lot of my glam teams with me, and so that really helps with, feeling lonely and feeling a little agitated. That's very important for me.
And we've also seen your vlog. Parang ako, I love thrift finds.
Yeah.
And we adore your expensive looking and runway worthy na mga ukay-ukay finds naman in Sorsogon. How was your thrift shopping experience? At saka baka meron kang advice naman, Miss Heart, to those who want to score, the best deal sa ukay-ukay.
I sobrang enjoyed kasi, I remember when I was young, I used to go to Baguio and there would be mga ukay-ukay doon, and it's been a while since I've done that. I love vintage shopping in other countries, pero I've never tried shopping in Sorsogon, mga ukay-ukay, and I'm pretty surprised. Para siyang undiscovered paradise na ang dami talagang, mahanap, and it's really just working your imagination, how you're going to put things together. And kailangan matyaga ka, kasi matyaga talaga ako pagdating sa pag-shopping. Talagang iniisa-isa ko siya, especially about quality. And quality doesn't have to be expensive. I really believe in the high-end, low-end mixing fashion. So, yun, nasa pagdadala lang naman talaga eh.
Right. We'll take note of your advice, Miss Hart. Thank you for that. At syempre, one of the many reasons also why a lot of people get inspired by you is that you do a lot of charity works. You also participate in a lot of advocacies, diba? Animal rescue, pet adoption, relief programs for our health workers. At ngayon, you've launched recently your Big Heart PH. Can you share with us anything about this initiative?
Well, it started actually with yung driver namin. Parang nabalitaan ko na hindi niya mapapa-enroll yung mga anak niya because parang the expenses that they have to buy a tablet because online and all of that. So I researched on really good tablets that I can give. And I gave him, and then I said, he has a job. What more people that don't really have a job, which nowadays I think the number is growing, about over 40-something% of Pinoys don't have work. So how can they stop? They cannot stop dreaming, especially for their children. And I fixed a few things, and I was able to have good friends also that own companies that were able to sell me lots and lots of iPads. And I consider myself very blessed these days with work, and not everybody is blessed. And sometimes when you do have these blessings, it's really not just for you. I think parang minsan ina-assign ni Lord yan sa mga iba't ibang tao because He knows that maybe you are a possible channel to share your blessings, and I really believe in that. And so, I'm really working very, very hard. And whenever I have work, of course, I save for my future, and I do give a portion of that to keep purchasing tablets.
And I'm sure a lot of people also would be encouraged because you've started this kind of initiative as well. Kaya please invite lahat ng ating mga kapuso dito all over Mindanao na abangan ang pag-launch ng iyong newest single. And of course, mensahe mo din po, a message of inspiration to all of our kapuso all over Mindanao.
Well, I just want to say na my single Breathe You is gonna come out very, very soon. So sa mga bigo sa pag-ibig, sa mga naghihintay pa rin hanggang ngayon, sa mga hindi pinapansin pero mahal na mahal pa rin nila, sa mga umaasa, this song is for you. And I hope that during this time of difficulty, it kind of brings you serenity, the feeling of serenity and being relaxed and less anxious about the uncertainties of this time. So sana ma-enjoy niyo yun. And I also just want to say I hope everybody is okay, everybody is healthy, keep safe mga kapuso, and yeah, dasal lang, di ba? And this too shall pass. So yun.
Thank you very much, Miss Hart. Continue to inspire a lot of people. Daghan kayong salamat.
Thank you.
And that was Kapusong Hart Evangelista. Daghan gyud kay tag nakatunan kay Miss Hart, maunang tutok lang mga kapuso kay mobalik pa ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.
Kini ang At Home with GMA Regional TV.